now the transformation from 2R2 to R2. This is the transformation from R2. So I have 2 points. I have 2 lines, y is equal to negative 3x and y is equal to x. This is dilated x comma y, 2x comma 2y, and this one would be x comma y, x comma y. Alright, so now I'm going to give you a rough sketch of how it should look like, how the end project look like. So this is my x, this is my y, so I'm going to put a z over here. So these all are given, this line is given, this line is also given. So I'm going to draw the y equal to negative 3x, so this is y equal to negative 3x, y equal to negative 3x, and this is y equal to x, oh this is y equal to x, and this is y equal to negative 3x. Alright, and this is z, so this one is z. So let's see how many points. I have 1 point which is obvious, which is 0, 0. I have another point, I have another point. These 3 points are on this negative 3x. Of course, I'm going to have a million points, but these 3 points that we are talking about, we already know 1 point. So I want to know this point. In order to find this point, I have to let the two blue lines equal to each other. So this blue line is negative 3x, and this blue line, so this is y equal to 1. All right. So this is y equal to negative 3x, this is y equal to 1. So then x is equal to negative 1 over negative 3. So this point, what I'm talking about, negative 1 over 3, comma 1. So since this is symmetric, this one is, because this is plus plus, this is minus plus, this is minus minus, this is plus minus, this would be 1 over 3, comma minus 1. Alright, so now the dilation, let me solve the dilation because I have to multiply it, but this one going to end up negative 1 over 3, comma 1 is going to be, I'm going to multiply this, so it's going to be like negative 2 over 3, comma 2. And the other one is, going to look like positive 1 over 3, comma 1 would look like 2 over 3, negative 1, negative 2. Is that right? Okay. Now, what am I going to do? Now, I have to draw the new point. So this is rough estimate of the new point. All right, now I'm going to draw the new z. So this is my new z, and this is the other line that we are talking about on this y-axis. All right, now we have to find the matrix. So in order to find the matrix, write it in AX is equal to B format. Do we have X? Yes, I think we do. So A has to be matrix A, B, C, D. So that's our A. And X, we have our X, negative 2 over 3, and then what? Negative 1 over 3, and then what? 1?
Yeah.
1?
Yeah, on the y component.
Oh, 1. And then is equal to this one, right? Negative 2 over 3, 2, right? So how am I going to do? What am I going to do? Negative 1 over 3 AC plus 1, 1, so negative 2 over 3, 2. So now let's distribute it. Negative A over 3 plus B is equal to negative 2 over 3. Negative C over 3 plus negative C over 3. No, negative, yeah, negative, let's put it like that. 1A. So negative C plus D is equal to 2. Alright, now this is what we have. This is A. What is after that?
You can get rid of fraction. if you want.
Oh, I want to get rid of fraction because who would like the fraction? Nobody. So this is multiplied by -3 and this multiplied by -3. So if I do multiply by -3, I get 1. I get a plus negative. All right. So what am I gonna do? I have 2. Now I need 2 more. So I have to do this. All right. So we're gonna exactly do the same thing we did. So a is 1 1. So for this transformation.
Yeah.
So 1 1 give us also 1 1. So 1 1. All right. I could have choose the other one. So now this is gonna make our life easier. So 1 AC plus 1 CB is equal to 1 1. So A plus, what are we gonna do with this? We're almost done. So I have 4. So now let's put C. So C minus 3D is equal to -6. And our C is, let's say C is 1 minus D. So 1 minus D minus 3D is equal to -6. So 7/4. Let's come over here. So what is the C? So C minus 3D is equal to -6. 3/4. So I'm gonna write over here. I have D is 7/4. I have C is -3/4. Now by a negative. So then I'm gonna get -A plus 3B is equal to -2. A plus B is equal to 1. So 4B is equal to -1. So B is equal to -1/4. So B is equal to -1/4. Now finally A. So they have to add up to 1. So then A plus B is equal to 1. So A plus A -1/4 is equal to 1. So A must be 1 plus 1/4. So 4 plus, write it in the form of matrix. So AX is equal to B. So A is A, B, C, D. X is B. So our A is 5/4. Our B is -1/4. Our C is -3/4. And our D is 7/4. This is X. What is our X? Do you remember? What is our X?
You can choose any of the points. Anything you want.
1 1.
Mm.
So our X is, if we use this transformation, this equation, our X is 1 1 is equal to 1 1. All right. So this is the answer. Okay. Thank you.